I want to build a wooden house.
Why?
I want to build a wooden house. I already chose the place. I already chose the place. The ground looks flat and clean. The ground looks flat and clean. I am standing on my land. I am standing on my land. I am thinking about the design. I am thinking about the design. I want a strong wooden house. I want a strong wooden house. I have an axe and a saw. I have an axe and a saw. I am going to the forest now. I am going to the forest now. The road to the forest is muddy. The road to the forest is muddy. Birds are singing in the forest. Birds are singing in the forest. I see many tall trees. I see many tall trees. Some trees are very thick. Some trees are very thick. I am looking for strong wood. I am looking for strong wood. This tree looks perfect. This tree looks perfect. I start cutting the tree. I start cutting the tree. The axe is very sharp. The axe is very sharp. Wood chips are flying everywhere. Wood chips are flying everywhere. I hear loud chopping sounds. I hear loud chopping sounds. The tree is finally falling down. The tree is finally falling down. I cut the branches carefully. I cut the branches carefully. I need more wood for the house. I need more wood for the house. Sweat is running down my face. Sweat is running down my face. The forest feels peaceful today. The forest feels peaceful today. I drink water from my bottle. I drink water from my bottle. I tie the logs together. I tie the logs together. The cart looks very heavy now. The cart looks very heavy now. I start pulling the cart slowly. I start pulling the cart slowly. The road is difficult to cross. The road is difficult to cross. The wheels are stuck in mud. The wheels are stuck in mud. My body feels very tired. My body feels very tired. I finally reach my land. I finally reach my land. The logs are lying on the ground. The logs are lying on the ground. I count all the logs carefully. I count all the logs carefully. I think the wood is enough. I think the wood is enough. I mark the corners carefully. I mark the corners carefully. I start digging holes. I start digging holes. The soil feels soft today. The soil feels soft today. I fill the holes with soil. I fill the holes with soil. I connect the wooden beams together. I connect the wooden beams together. I use nails and a hammer. I use nails and a hammer. The structure already looks beautiful. The structure already looks beautiful. I am building the front wall now. I am building the front wall now. I cut the extra parts away. I cut the extra parts away. I hammer the wooden boards tightly. I hammer the wooden boards tightly. The wooden walls look beautiful already. The wooden walls look beautiful already. Long beams are needed for the roof. Long beams are needed for the roof. I am bringing the tin sheets now. I am bringing the tin sheets now. I place the first sheet on the roof. I place the first sheet on the roof. I nail the sheet tightly. I nail the sheet tightly. Rainwater will slide down easily. Rainwater will slide down easily. The roof looks shiny and clean. The roof looks shiny and clean.
I continue adding more sheets. I continue adding more sheets.
Dark clouds are gathering above me. Dark clouds are gathering above me. Suddenly, light rain starts falling. Suddenly, light rain starts falling. My dream house is almost ready. My dream house is almost ready. I continue working in the rain. I continue working in the rain. Rain sounds peaceful on the roof. Rain sounds peaceful on the roof. Birds are sitting on the roof. Birds are sitting on the roof. I built everything with my own hands. I built everything with my own hands. The forest gave me the wood. The forest gave me the wood. Today is a very special day for me. Today is a very special day for me. My wooden house is finally complete. My wooden house is finally complete.